I get so many questions. If I can just choose one system, what should I buy for my house? It's so expensive, or it's this, or it's that. So what if I just had to pick one? There are a whole bunch of different filters out there. I mean, I get it, right? You have a water softener, whole house filters, you have reverse osmosis, and if you go online, there's salt-free conditioners and all these other things for you to choose from. Each one has its pro and con, but if you just had to choose one, what is the differences on each system, and what do they each do? I don't know. We pull our hair out to try to figure it out, right? Now, choosing the wrong system can mean that it could cost you more money in the long run because you're not taking out the things you need to take out that would protect your plumbing and your dishwasher and your clothing, your laundry, your shower. Or you could choose a different one that doesn't take out the toxins that you really need to take out so your body becomes more healthy. It's like it's crazy, right? Like, which do we want to do? Whole home or drinking water system? It's a complicated decision because it's like what we want is we want one filter to take everything out. Now, so what we're going to do is we're going to sort of talk about what each one does so you can get an idea of what you should decide as the one system. And in my personal opinion is it's really hard to do that. Each one is something different, right? It's like a whole home system like one of these guys, it gets installed at the outside of the house or inside the house where the water line comes in, and it takes out rock and chlorine. So if we have a water droplet here, the rock causes white film on your dishes, your shower stall, the faucets. You probably see it. You probably go and wash the window or the door on your bathroom or your shower, and you're like, why? It's so hard. Why do I have to do that? Well, that's the rock that's left behind on the shower stall door. So you're probably looking, I want to get that out, so I spend less money on cleaning supplies, or I want to spend less money on my Tide because I have to use so much more soap when it comes to it, or I got to use more Cascade. So you want to get that rock out. Or you live in the southern region of the United States and there's a lot of chlorine in the water, right? And you can smell it, right? You're like, ew, that's so bad. And we know it's like, wait a second, in many parts of the country, the level of chlorine in the tap water is higher than the pool. It doesn't make any sense, right? We've all been taught that if you're going to go ahead and take, if you're going to go swimming, you should take a shower afterwards. Well, what happens if the shower water has more chlorine than in the pool? It's like insane. It's insane, right? That happens in many cases. So people wanting to get something like this that has carbon in it that takes the chlorine out of the whole house. Why? Because that dries out the skin, dries out the hair. Ladies, you buy a detangler for your hair. Why is that? The rock and the chlorine. And it's like, oh my God, I start spending all that money. So that's the system I want. Sure, you can do that, but that's all it does. Don't be fooled. Don't think that this water is a whole lot more safer to drink because it didn't take out the toxins. So the next step is we can do reverse osmosis system. Okay, and that's what this guy is. This comes with a holding tank that holds a bunch of water, and this is designed specifically to take out the toxins in your water. That's the thing that takes out lead, nitrates, forever chemicals, hexavalent chromium-6, trihalomethylenes. I mean, I can go on and on and on about the things that it's certified to take out, but it has a single faucet at the kitchen sink. People are like, can I put that in my whole house? No. We need a big guy like this to do the whole home, and then we need a reverse osmosis that goes under the kitchen sink. So if I had to just choose one, I think I got to ask myself, geez, is that really right? Like, ask myself, why would I have to only choose one? It's usually the price. Like, we're looking to save money. So what I want to be able to do is I'd love it if you can take a look at, I have how you can save money with water filtration video. We're going to put the link down below. You can learn that actually filtering the whole house is going to protect your appliances, your clothing, your hair. You're going to spend less money on shampoo, conditioners, detanglers. You're going to buy less Tide, Pine Sol, Windex. It's on and on and on. And so that's going to be an even exchange. We call it anyway dollars. You're spending this money anyways for all that stuff that literally if we just get this as a monthly payment, it's going to be less. That's for the whole home system. And then if we look at a reverse osmosis system, well, do you trust the government to give you good, clean water? No. So you only have two options then, if you really want to be healthy. If you're concerned about what you drink. Remember, if I eat a banana, in 4 hours, I'm that banana. If I drink a glass of water, in 4 minutes, I'm that glass of water. So it seems so logical if we're going to be drinking water, there's no toxins in it. So that means I'm either going to probably buy bottled water, which then we're going to be crossing our fingers, right, that they filtered the water safely. I mean, we are basically hoping. We look at it, it looks clean, comes in a clear bottle. We paid for it, so we think we should deserve good, clean water. But what we found over and over and over again is those bottling companies, they just simply take the chlorine and the rock out. That's what they do. That's it, to make it taste good. They still get it from the city, and you're paying for city water that just tastes better. So putting the responsibility, or having the responsibility in your own hands to take those toxins out of this water with a reverse osmosis system and eliminate buying bottled water, that too is going to save you money. Because what we find is the average family spending about $45 a month. That's because they buy about 2 cases a week in bottled water. They cost about $5. $10 times 4.3 weeks in a month, that's $43. A reverse osmosis system is less than that per month. So what we recommend that you do is get both. Figure out that, hey, listen, if you learn just enough about how water truly affects your pocketbook in so many ways, you actually probably will change your mind about buying just one. Because what you'll do is you'll be able to see that the anyway dollars are less when you buy a system compared to what you're paying today for whole house water filtration. And bottled water cost is more than what a reverse osmosis system will cost you over a period of time, especially one like that, which is made by Eco Water. That is a wonderful ERO 385 manufactured by Eco Water, who's made in America. So yeah, I think you'll find that actually if the goal was to save money, is if we do both, you really will save money. So the question really isn't which one should I buy, it's like, okay, I got to get both to reduce my costs. Because that's the root of most people's concern, is how do I spend the least amount of money for water filtration. Hope that this is helpful to you. If you found that it was, please click like, subscribe, share this with your friends and family. I love to say one thing. It's like, hey, if you have 2 people, 3 people that you love and care for, could you share the video with them? Right? Can you help them out? Because what I can tell you, with a good quality water system, your friends and family are going to save money as compared to what they're currently doing. And if you need more assistance or you can't find a local dealer, you can certainly call Angel Water. We're at 847-382-7800. You can reach us on the web, angelwater.com. You can call us because I'm always available to talk about how your health, your issues, maybe we can address something for you, because my passion, I think that the whole reason for living is to impact other people's well-being. And in that, we think that that's in water. So along that line, my name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.